right.
Extra stars.
Madeline, can you say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Hi. Jackson.
Hi, camera.
Ella.
Hi, camera.
Nana.
Hi, camera.
Mama.
Hi, camera.
All right.
Can I see?
So here we all are in, where are we? What city is this? Mammoth. Good job. And what happened last night in the tent? What happened?
It got all wet. It got all wet.
Did you guys hear the thunder?
Yeah.
What did it sound like?
It sounded like a bunch of rain. Yeah.
Can anybody make that sound like the thunder? Did anybody see the lightning? That's how the lightning sounded. And then what happened? Did you get wet, Madeline?
Yeah. Well, these are what the land sounded like. My arm got wet.
Your arm got wet. And what about you, Ella? Did
My
you get
arm got wet too.
Your whole sleeping bag got wet, didn't it?
Yeah. Because I had to go pee.
Oh, was it fun, guys? Last night in the rain?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what about Nana? What happened with her last night? Did she get rained on?
No.
Why not?
Because she was in a house.
Oh. In the dry house, sleeping in a tent? What was she sleeping in, Jackson? A bed. Wow, she had it made, didn't she?
Because somebody to stay with the dog.
Oh, okay.
Oh, don't pull those out, sweetie.
It fell out.
All right, say bye to the camera for now.
Bye, camera. Bye, camera.
All righty.